Hello, most of you colleagues on my YouTube channel have been asking about how to digitize using high resolution satellite images. So today we're gonna look at how to digitize using high resolution images. So in my browser panel here, I have some high resolution images. This is Busia. SP was captured on 2021. So let me drag it and drop it here. So take an example. We can select one area and maybe I show you how digitizing works. So for example, we have such area. These are fish ponds. These are fish ponds in this area. For example, you are a farmer and you are interested in knowing or creating a map of your fish ponds. So how do you do it? First of all, you create a shape file. How? You click on layers, then you create a layer. So which layer are we creating now? We are creating a new shape file. Okay, so once you create a new shape file, it will ask you file name. So what do? We have these three dots. You locate where you want to save your file. So for now, let me save this file on my local disk G, and I locate where I want to save it in my World Super GIS tutorials. Then I can call it fish ponds. Then I click on save. So I've already saved it. The file encoding, we always use this for vector data. Then the geometry type, these are polygons because we'll digitize around this area. These are polygons. So the additional dimensions, we just leave this by default. Then here this area falls in this zone, which is WGS 84/UTM zone 36 north of the equator. This is the northern hemisphere. So you select that. Then we have this new field. So what is the new field? This is these are fish ponds. Fish. This is fish pond. Okay, this is fish pond. So the type is text. We have various types for number, decimal, and date. So this is text. The length, let's keep this. Precision, just leave it. Then we add our field to the list. So once you add it to the list, it will appear like that. So what you do, you press OK. So once you press OK, our shapefile will be created here, but this shapefile has nothing. So how do we digitize here now? So you click on this shapefile. Then in the toolbar we have these icons that are used for digitizing. For example, here we have the toggle editing. Its function is for digitizing. So you can see, even when you put here, you will be able to see toggle editing. So once you click on toggle editing, these icons will be activated. So we have the current edits, we have the toggle editing, we have the add polygon, and so on. So we are interested in adding polygon, so you click on this add polygon icon or feature. So what you do, you zoom in further to be accurate or be more accurate. So for now, you click here, you click and move around the whole polygon. Okay, so you move around the whole polygon, but you zoom in further to actually reduce on the errors. So once you reach at the end, you right click. So once you right click, you will put it ID. Each polygon that you digitize has a unique ID. So we start from 1, that is fish pond ID 1. Then the second thing, we can give it pond. Maybe we can give it them letters of alphabet, that is pond A. Then we press OK. So once you press OK, that pond A will be created. So you go to pond next. This is pond. This is the second pond. You do the same. Once you reach at the end, you right click and put 2. Then this is pond B. You press OK. You go to the next pond, which is pond 3, and digitize. It is so simple. So once you reach at the end, you right click and put pond 3. Pond 3 is C. We are categorizing them. This is C. Okay. Then pond 4 is D. Once I reach at the end, I right click. This is pond D. Press OK. Then this is the last pond, which is pond E. The fifth pond. You do it quickly. The work is not this hard, that hard. So once you reach at the end, you right click. This is 5. Pond E. Okay, you press OK. So this is in simple terms how you be able to digitize. So after digitizing your polygons or ponds, you come back here to toggle editing, and you check through this. They say save edits, save rare edits. You save them, then you click on toggle editing to stop the editing. So currently we have the final shapefile. Even if I uncheck this, these are our digitized polygons. So what you do, you can classify them. So you double click on them and click on symbology, and here we can change from single symbol to categorized. We categorize by fish pond and we classify. So we have 5 fish ponds, and they are given different letters. So how do we know pond A, pond B, and pond C? Still you right click on dish layer, then you click on labels. So each pond has a single label, so you click on single label, and you can check here single labels. So fish pond, so you can change from regular to bold. I can change even the font size to 15 maybe. Then I apply, then I check. So as you check, you can see that these are my ponds. So when I uncheck the fish ponds, you can see what is in the background. So today we have managed to digitize. So that's how digitizing is done for a satellite image on Google, or using QGIS software. Thanks for listening, and ask more questions and subscribe for more videos. Thanks. See you in the next tutorial to come.